How to change reason on Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Open up any of your web application. At the top search bar type in discord.com and get logged into your Discord account. You'll see a page like this, and here select any server. Then under voice channels, you will see general. Click onto it. You will see settings. Click onto the settings icon. And make sure that you are on Overview tab. Here scroll below. Under Reason Override, by default you will be on Automatic. Now in order to change the reason, click onto Automatic and here select the country. Once done, click on to Save Changes. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.